Guys, welcome back to another video on SafeME, and today I'm going to show you 3 of the best new AppSumo deals I found. So the first tool on our list is TruConversion. So if you're currently paying for Hotjar and SurveyMonkey separately, this tool can replace both of them in one single dashboard. So this isn't just a simple funnel builder, it's a complete funnel tracking and optimization suite with features I think you're going to just love. So if you want to know exactly where your website visitors are dropping off, this tool identifies the leaks in your sales funnel so you can fix them right away. So their smart funnel features visualizes the entire customer journey from the landing page all the way out to checkout. So you can also track and record your visitors' behavior to see exactly how they navigate your site, where they click, where they skip, and where they get stuck, so you can make like adjustments and make it better. It also includes Heatmaps that can show you where your users click and move their mouse and all that thing. So you can even compare Heatmaps by location, traffic source, device. Beyond that, you can also optimize your form performance and use pop-up micro surveys anywhere on your site. For example, if someone is about to leave, so I can trigger a question to find out why they're leaving. So like that, I can optimize my site. So you also have the options for full-length surveys to track your NPS or general customer feedback. So essentially, TruConversion replaces like 3 to 4 different paid tools for like Heatmaps, surveys, and funnels. So it works seamlessly with systems like Shopify, WordPress, HubSpot, Salesforce. So now talking about the AppSumo lifetime deal for TruConversion starts at $79 for tier 1 and it goes all the way up to tier 6. So the main differences between the plans that I found are the number of users and domains, monthly page views, and AI credits. So for example, tier 1 allows for 1 user and 3 domains, but once you hit tier 4, you get unlimited users, and by tier 5 you get unlimited domains and 100 monthly credits. So most of the core features remain the same across all the plans. So you can choose the tier that fits your traffic, volume, and all that thing. So guys, the link to the TruConversion AppSumo deal is given in the description below. You can definitely check it out. So next on our list at number 2 is email lead. So if you're a marketer, developer, or agency owner and your marketing bill like grows every time you add a new subscriber, that's really painful. And if your like transactional emails are like ending up in spam or taking forever to arrive, then you definitely need to check this out, which is email lead. Email lead is like much more affordable and faster like alternative to services like SendGrid. And what I have found, it uses SMTP and REST API. So one great features I've found is the bulk email verifier. So you can like verify your list to make sure you aren't sending to dead addresses, and obviously which keeps your deliverability high and like reduces your bounce rate. Now talking about the campaign builder is also very easy to use, which is a simple drag and drop editor. Other helpful features that I found is including like tracking, managing bounces, like viewing your full email history to see like if a message was delivered, failed. And also you have the ability to set up webhooks. So email lead also uses separate IP pools. This maintains a clear wall between transactional and marketing emails so that important system messages are like not delayed. You can also verify your sending domains like using DKIM, SPF, MX, DMRC. And now talking about the AppSumo lifetime deal, it starts at $49 for tier 1 and goes all the way up to tier 6, which is at $819. While most features are the same across all the plans, the main differences that I found are the number of workspace members, monthly credits, and domains. So tier 3 and above gives you unlimited domains, and then you can just choose the tier that fits your monthly credits. So there's also an optional add-on for data retention for $149, and if you don't need a long history of your data, you can just leave that box unchecked. So guys, the link to the email lead AppSumo deal is given in the description below. You can check it out. So moving on our third tool, which is Bannerboo. So if you ever had to like manually resize single ad for like 10 different social media platforms, you know how frustrating that is. So like with Bannerboo, you can create professional no-code HTML5 animated ads and like resize them for every platform with just a click. So while tools like Canva and Creatopi have their limitations and it is also expensive, but Bannerboo is like available for a one-time price on AppSumo. So if you're like a marketer, media buyer, freelancer, or run an agency, so this is like definitely worth checking out. So for the core design and animation, it features a simple drag and drop editor. So you can like build layout easily. You can automatically also align your layers and animate them for you. So get access to our 7,000 plus templates. And what a smart resizer do, you can create a one master banner and then the Bannerboo will resize it for every other platforms. So it also has a built-in asset library with millions of photos, videos, SVGs, and vector icons. So we all know like animated ads obviously perform better than static ones. So the Bannerboo has a smart animator that lets you add motion effects to any static design. It completely like automates the process. It also includes a background remover, which is very important. Also, you have the ability to use branded share URLs, CNAME. So this, what it does is this lets you send live preview links to your clients using your own custom domain to get feedback. And the best part that I found is that you can export your ads in HTML5 format. And there are many other formats as well, like AMP HTML, GIF, MP4, JPEG, and PNG. So these exports are like ad network ready for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, LinkedIn. So for team and workspace management, you can set up a separate workspace for different clients to keep your assets and like logos organized. Like multiple team members can work on the same project, and you can set also specific permissions like editor or guest. Now coming to the pricing, the AppSumo lifetime deal for Bannerboo starts at $59 for tier 1 and goes all the way up to $599 for tier 5. So from tier 3 you get like unlimited workspace, unlimited video exports per month, and you get like 75 GB of storage, and you can remove like 150 background per month. Also in tier 4 you get 200 GB of storage. That is huge. So tier 5 is recommended. So you get unlimited, all this unlimited workspace, video export, but in storage you get like 400 GB and you can remove 600 backgrounds per month, and you also get unlimited editors, and rest of the core features are same in every other plan. So you can choose the plan that fits your needs. So guys, the link to the Bannerboo AppSumo deal is given in the description below. And guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.